everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to change phone number in Gmail. Now to do that, you need to open the Gmail application on your phone device at first. Now once you open the Gmail mail, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Tap that. Now in the profile, you need to go and tap on your manage your Google account just below your email. Tap that. Once you're at the Google account page, you need to tap on data and privacy. Tap on it. In the data and privacy, you need to scroll down to the info you can share with others and you will have the option profile. Tap that. In the profile, you scroll down and in the contact information, you will have your email and phone number. You tap on the phone number. Now here you will be able to change the phone number that you have on Google. You can replace the current phone number with the new phone number that you want to be your Gmail contact info. So before that, you need to tap on the drop down menu and from there you choose a country code. You choose your country code, then you type in the number by removing the previous one. Here you type in the new number of your account. Then all you need to do is tap on save on the bottom. For the changes to be saved, tap on save. Once you do that, your number will be updated to a different one. So this is a simple way how you can change phone number in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.